how to use sum, average, and count for Microsoft Excel. So first, here we have some sales sample data. So for sum, it allows you to add a range of numbers. So for example, we're going to sum up all this value. So here I'm going to use this cell as a sum total. Now if you go over here to the top menu and then you click down and you click on sum, here you can select a range. So we will select between B2 to B8 and then press enter, and this will give you a sum of 7,225. So you can also manually put in on the keyboard equal sum and then open bracket, and then here we can choose the first number and column, and then you choose the second number, so B2, and close the bracket and enter. So that essentially will give you the same value, 7,225. So that is the sum function. And for average, it will calculate the average arithmetic mean of a range. So for example, using this same sales value, and we will perform average. So here, if you want to use the menu item at the top in the menu bar, you can click on the drop down and then click on average, and here you can also use the mouse to select the range, so B2 to B8, and then press on enter. So that's at the average right here. Or you can, on the keyboard, you can just type in equal average and then open bracket, and then you key in B2 and then you can be in B8 and close, and that will give you the same value. So you can either use the mouse to select the range, or you can manually use the keyboard to enter the range. So that is the average function. And finally, we can use the count function. So again, up here on the menu, if you click on it and choose count functions, so we use the mouse and we count it, and this will account the sales with the value. So 6 sales in here have the value, 1 doesn't have the value, so it will essentially skip. So count the number of sales that contain numbers in a range. Again, you can manually key in with the equal sign and then use the count function and then put in the value, either selecting the cell, or you can manually key in the cell number, and that's it. So here, if we put in count, you can see equal count, and then we select that and then close. So 0, because this one is text, so that's why it cannot count the value. So here, if you do count and close, you got 6. If I put in 7, you can see it would change to 7. So that is the 3 different functions on how you can use sum, average, and count in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.